Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you a tutorial of how to add SeatGeek ticket on your Apple Wallet. So let us begin on how to add your SeatGeek to your Apple Wallet. So adding eligible tickets to your Apple Wallet is here's how to do it. So please note that when a ticket is added to your Apple Wallet, it will likely no longer display in your SeatGeek or third-party platform account and will need to be displayed from the mobile wallet itself. So let's begin. By the way, this is an official tutorial from their page, so you want to go to your SeatGeek account and then navigate to your tickets and tap the event to view your barcodes. And then you want to scroll down until you see a button which says Add to Apple Wallet. And then tap that button and follow the guide prompts to finish adding your tickets to your digital wallet. And that is all. An extra tip of accessing your tickets from your Apple Wallet is that after adding your tickets, you want to open up your mobile wallet app and then select the ticket you want to view. Hold your phone to the ticket scanner at the venue to scan your ticket. And that is all on how to add SeatGeek to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching.